A farmer's story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green fields and tall mountains, lived an old farmer named Adam. He was not rich and he did not have many things, but every morning he woke up with a smile on his face. People in the village often wondered, how can Adam be so happy every day? Life is hard and farming is not easy. One day, a young boy named Alex, who lived in the same village, asked him, "Uncle Adam, how do you stay so happy and make every day better? Don't you get tired of working so hard?" Adam smiled and said, "Come with me tomorrow morning, and I will show you." The next morning, before the sun had even risen, Alex reached Adam's farm. Adam was already awake, feeding the cows and getting ready to water his crops. "Let me tell you something, Alex," said Adam. "Every day is like a seed. If you plant it with care, it will grow into something beautiful." Alex was curious. "But what do you mean by that, Uncle?" Adam explained. "If I start my day with anger, laziness, or sadness, it will grow into a bad day. But if I begin with love, hard work, and hope, the day becomes better, no matter what happens." Then Adam gave Alex a small notebook and said, "Let's write 3 things that we are thankful for today." Alex thought for a moment and wrote, "First, my parents. Second, my school. Third, this morning with Uncle Adam." Adam wrote his list too. First, the sunrise. Second, my healthy cows. Third, my strong body. "This is the first step to a better day," said Adam. "Always begin with thanks." Adam and Alex worked in the fields all day. The sun was hot and the work was hard. But Adam kept smiling. When Alex asked, "I think about the food it will give to others. I think about the rain that may come, the flowers that may grow, and the people who will eat what I grow." Alex realized something. Adam found joy in the purpose of his work, not just the result. They sat under the tree to rest. Adam shared his lunch with Alex. Simple bread. "Even a simple meal tastes good when you share it," he said. "Kindness makes every day better." As the day ended, Adam and Alex sat looking at the sunset. "Uncle," Alex said, "I've seen many farmers complain about the weather, money, or bad crops, but you never do." Adam looked at the sky and said, "I can't control the rain or the market, but I can control my mind. If I keep complaining, my day becomes worse. But if I look for small joys and lessons, even a bad day teaches me something." Alex was amazed. "So to make every day better, I should be thankful, work hard with purpose, be kind, and stay positive?" Adam nodded. "Yes, and one more thing. Forgive quickly. Sometimes we get hurt or angry, but if we carry those feelings into the next day, they become heavy like a stone. Let go and walk free." That night, Alex went home and told his parents about his day with Adam. He shared the notebook and what he had learned. From that day forward, Alex started writing 3 things he was thankful for each morning. He helped his parents with a smile. He stopped complaining about homework. When his friends fought, he tried to bring peace. 1 year later, Alex stood on the stage at school and gave a speech. He told everyone about Adam, the farmer who had taught him how to make every day better. He ended his speech with these words: "Every day is like a seed, planted with love, watered with hope, protected with kindness, and you will harvest happiness." That is what I learned from a farmer. The whole audience clapped. Adam, sitting in the crowd, wiped a tear from his eye. He had no gold, no car, and no fame, but he had planted a seed in Alex's heart, and it had grown. The moral of the story is this, that you don't need a big house or lots of money to be happy. Like Adam, the farmer, you can make every day better by starting with gratitude, working with purpose, being kind and sharing, staying positive in challenges, forgiving and letting go. Happiness is not something you wait for, it's something you grow, day by day. like a farmer grows his crops. Thank you for watching this. I am very grateful.